Hey, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I'm going to be showing you how I made these macrame feathers. I just made these really small just for the video so they didn't take as long. You can make them however big you want. You just have to measure these ropes right here longer, and you measure this rope way longer, of course, to make a way bigger feather. These make like really cute wall hangings for like above a crib, like above a shelf or something. Of course you can make them all sizes. They're kind of cute to make a couple different sizes and put it like a collage together. But anyways, let's get started. I'm going to show you how I make these. Okay, to get started, I'm going to be using some 5mm cotton cord. You can find this in my Etsy shop. The link is on my Instagram. And I'm using this Aleene's Stiffen Quick, just fabric stiffener I got on Amazon, a sharp pair of scissors, a brush, and some felt right here that is sticky on the back. So to get started, cut a piece of rope about a foot long folded, and then you just tie the top into a knot. This is what it's going to be hanging from. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is get your rope and start cutting a bunch of pieces just like around this size. If you want your feathers super wide, you can cut them longer, but I'm just going to make them around this size just because I'm making a small feather. So I just rolled these like on my fingers so they're all the same length, and I'm going to cut them all. Okay, so now I'm going to start applying these to these middle pieces. I'm going to be using the lark's head knot. It's really simple. You just pull these through like that. Make sure the two bottom pieces measure up. Tighten it, and then pull it to the top. And then this piece, I'm going to do it on the opposite side. Pull it through, tighten it, and pull it up. And then you're going to just keep doing those back and forth until you get to like right there. Another thing that you do is after you put a bunch on, you're going to want to pull them tight up to the top like that, so you have more room to start putting more pieces of rope on. And then make sure these are all super tight, and then you just pull these up like that to make them tighter. Okay, the next step is just to comb all of this out. Okay, I'm just kind of going to shape this how I want it. And then I'm going to cut it. Okay, this is the next step. You get your felt and place your feather on it. I'm actually not going to use this side to show. I'm going to use the other side, but you can use this side too. So if you want this side to be the side that's showing, then trace it on the opposite side. And the next step is just to cut this out. So the felt that I used is sticky. You just peel this off and then stick it to it. So you just comb it out a little bit and then cut off any remaining strands. Like these ones I'm going to trim. And the next step is to spray some of this fabric stiffener on it. And then wait for it to dry. And it's finished. One more thing, when you spray the fabric stiffener on, it tends to make it curl a little bit. So you can just get your brush and just like comb it out a little bit. And then after you're done combing it out with your brush, you can shape it again with your fingers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that this video is explained well enough on how to make these feathers. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already so you're not missing any upcoming macrame tutorial videos.